Are you looking for the best floor desk? In this video we will look at some of the best floor desk on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Folding Tables Laptop Desk. The laptop table is the perfect complement to the home or office. It is suitable for many occasions: laptop stand for bed, a children's bed table, a mini writing table, laptop couch table, a standing table for office work. Auto lock buttons on each side can change in height easily. The legs can be set to 5 different heights, adjustable from 10.6 inches, 15.7. In addition, 2 clamps can be used to adjust 4 different angles, from 0-35 degrees. The size of laptop desk is 23.6 times 15.7 times 10.6 15.7. That it is enough to fit all size of laptop. Built-in stand groove for supporting tablets and mobile phones. The drawer can keep your pens, glasses, mouse and USB cables etc. Open the table legs to use, no installation required. After use, fold this down to a compact size and store it next to the sofa or under the bed without taking up too much space. Number 2. Tray Table Adjustable Laptop Stand. This multifunctional table will be a perfect addition to your office, home or home office. Use it as a multifunctional workstation, a standing desk for office work, a snack tray for watching TV, a laptop or tablet stand for relaxing in bed, or a food table to enjoy breakfast in bed. You can easily enable quick height changes, adjustable from 9.4-12.6. on this table using 2 auto lock buttons on each side. In addition, you can also adjust the surface angle from 0-30 by pulling a lock button and releasing it when you get the desired angle. This table is light enough to carry around, ergonomic, environmentally friendly, yet strongly built and durable, having been made of 100% high-quality engineered wood. Number 3. Notebook Computer Desk. This laptop bed tray is made of natural and sturdy bamboo board, tilted, folded, stable, very high quality, and easy to store. Adjustable tilt and legs for a better viewing experience. 4 slots are adjustable, and the other tilted position can be selected to compare with other desks. Beautiful hollow and surface with 2 flower shapes, making heat easily dissipated. Beautiful and practical functions. Worry-free cup slot. A baffle can prevent your knees from slipping off the desktop. Foldable and extended legs for easy storage. Table height, the 22nd of August 2028 cm/8.911.1 inches. Table size, 50 by 30 centimeters /19.7 by 11.8 inches. Not only can it be used as a laptop desk, but it can also be used as a TV dining tray, patient, child service desk, laptop desk, reading desk, office desk, bookshelf, children's desk, tablet stand, breakfast tray, coloring table, bed work table, floor, sofa, lounge chair, car and travel. Number 4. Laptop Bed Desk. The laptop bed tray desk is designed with foldable legs and dual bolster cushions to allow the laptop stand to be used as either a workstation or bed tray. The lap desk features 5 settings for height adjustment, including 15.67, 14.5, 13.43, 12.2. and 11.14. Their 0 degrees 35 degrees adjustable tilt angle helps to relieve neck and back discomfort. The laptop bed tray table provides a wide 20.1 amount of legroom underneath the desk for more comfort. The adjustable laptop stand is foldable for easy storage underneath or beside your bed, cabinet, or sofa. 4 soft and skin-friendly cushions are integrated into the bottom of the laptop bed tray desk to provide stability on flat surfaces. The bolster cushions also ensure comfort when working on your lap to keep your body insulated from device heat. Number 5. Black 71-inch Computer Desk. 3 colors are offered to help you find the perfect color combination and can be your winning secret to having different style room. This dedicated computer desk is designed for you to work and study in the classroom, office or at home. 70.8 L x25.2, W, x29.9, H. This large computer desk offers large space for monitors, printers as an executive desk or gaming desk, which is a good choice for home office work including writing, gaming, study. Besides, the long desk with ample desktop can work as your conference table or large workstation. Thick metal frames made of heavy-duty powder-coated steel improve stability and safety in use. Legs of high thickness are strong enough to support heavy-duty parcels. The trigonal structure under panel make sure the desk is sturdy enough. All tools are prepared in the package, so just follow the clear instruction to assemble the desk effortlessly within 30 minutes. Melamine veneer tabletop is waterproof, heat resistant and dust free, so you just need a damp,